Hi everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be discussing short ads, and it is an amazing viral ads creator with AI influencer. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to simply get extended free trails and exclusive benefits. So don't miss out on that, guys. And yeah, now we are on the platform called short ads, and if you are looking to create amazing looking content for your personal brand, your brand or anything like that, could be AI generated, and you can see now all we need to do is get a link to our main content, and we are going to be putting that in here, and it is going to be creating an ad for that specific item. So if you scroll a little bit down, you can see it is giving us a demonstration as well. We can choose the influencer type, like for example tech guy, cute girl, or any of these options. You can see we have a wide range of options to choose from. Then we are going to be also uploading some related media files, like for example if it is related to tech, we can upload some tech images, pictures, audios, music, whatever we would like to upload. We need to simply enter a prompt which is going to be making it even more better, so it is going to be customized according to your prompt. Finally click on generate TikTok. It is going to be creating a whole TikTok based on that particular information that you have provided. So this is about this platform, and I hope you got the idea of it. Below we have some of these pricings and plans, so you can check whatever suits the best for you. Thank you so much, guys, and I hope you learned something new and are finding this platform interesting. Make sure to head over to the link in the description to get some extended free trails and exclusive benefits out of this platform called Short Ads. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to share with friends, and see you in the next video.